Tell me why you wanted to do this interview today.
Honestly, Ciara, to give you my truth. That's why I'm here.
Tell me, you've obviously been in the news lately, obviously reports over the weekend of your marriage ending. What led you to that point?
For at least 10, 13 years of the marriage, we were very happy. But small cracks started to appear, mainly for me. I'd been living a lie for all my life, really. And that lie was that I'm gay. And, wow,
Have you ever said that out loud in public before?
not to this many people. Yeah, I'm gay. And I'm finally living my truth.
Was there a period at the beginning of your marriage where you didn't act on your sexuality?
Absolutely. If you're looking and you're looking to stray, it's gone. It's over. Simple. And that's where I was with that. As the years went on, I just knew. And it got harder and it became so difficult in the end.
Can you remember the first time that you did stray?
Yeah, I can. I was trying to convince myself that it was all right because it was anonymous.
Okay.
It wasn't an affair in my head.
How did you feel afterwards?
Oh, God. Guilt. You try and take the pain away of the guilt by you sit down with a bottle of wine, 2 bottles maybe, and God, you woke up the next morning and it was 10 times worse. Alcohol and substances I medicated with them. They were a painkiller. It was across a broad spectrum of prescription medication, illegal substances, alcohol, all of the above that I dabbled with. In your head, you're going, why did I do that? You lie to yourself. You lie, and you believe the lie. And you just keep going.
Did the lie get harder to maintain?
Every day I walked in life, I was not the real me.
Did you feel trapped?
Yeah. 100%. But trapped within my own creation. This is a show about truth, right?
Mm-hmm.
On the 21st of September, I attempted suicide with an overdose.
That attempt, did something precipitate it, or was it just a snowball effect, a build-up of everything?
An overwhelming sense of absolute sadness and hopelessness. I was admitted to St. Pat's for treatment for acute depression, anxiety. I felt like I had absolutely failed in every walk of life, in everything I'd done. There was a phone call made from St. Pat's to Tina and to my stepdaughter Becky. It was recorded without my knowledge and it was leaked without my knowledge, and that's all I can really say about that because there's a criminal investigation into it.
I'm aware that I can completely understand that living a double life was extraordinarily hard on you. I can. But do you accept that it was also very hard on your family, all of this, and that they're hurting too?
They're all hurting. They're all hurting at different levels, in different ways. There's anger, and I absolutely understand that anger. I'm absolutely remorseful and regretful for any of the hurt I've caused to the people I love in pursuing my truth or living my truth. I don't seek forgiveness, and I don't expect it, but I would hope that there would be acceptance. I can't undo the wrongs I've done. I can't change the past. In order for me to survive, I had to tell the truth. For the first time in my life, the fear is gone.
Is that how you're feeling now?
I'm terrified right now, don't get me wrong. This is the most terrifying thing I've ever done.
What you're doing today is very brave. I know that, coming out.
My hand was forced on this one.
Do you think?
Yeah. It's not that I wouldn't have come out. This is not how I wanted to do this. And that recording, it took away me being able to stand in front of my siblings, my right to be able to stand in front of them and give them the respect of telling them the truth. I cannot control what people will do or what they'll say, or how they react or what they think. What's most important to me right now is my mental health, is my family, my closest friends. I turned 55 today. I will always remember my 55th birthday. Thankfully, I'm young enough to be able to live my life, and only I can deal with the guilt, the remorse, the regret, all of those things. Only I can deal with those things, and I can only deal with them as best as I can.